Welcome back. In the previous class, we have started learning about polymorphism. Today, we're starting the very first point of implementing polymorphism, which is called as function overloading. Now, function overloading is also you can put in the category of compile time polymorphism, which is a type of polymorphism. So, compile time. Why it is called compile time? I'll show you that when we learn about the program. But first, let's understand what is function overload. So, in C++, what happens is, since it's a function, let's say we have function f1, we have function f2. Think like this, that both functions are of the same name. If I write sum1 and sum1, they are same functions. They don't have any difference. The only difference will be that they will have different parameters. This will have some parameter 1, this will have some parameter 2. So the functions are same, but the parameters are different. That is, it can have different types of parameters. That is int, float, anything it can have, or number of parameters. If these two categories are checked and they are different with both, even though the sums or the function names are same, then we can say that it is function overloading. So how does the concept of function overloading works, we can understand better with a program. So let's check a program first. So over here, as you can see, I have made two functions. Firstly, the first function is sum. Second function is also sum. As I said, same name, but here you can see the parameters are different. First, num1 and num2, you can say that they are same, but the types of parameters are different. This is an integer type, this is a double type. So that is one difference. So as I said, number of parameters may be different or types of parameters. Here I have implemented both, that is types and even the numbers. So here we have three parameters, even though they are int, but the numbers are different. Here we have only two. Here also we have two, but the types are different. All are simply returning the addition of the parameters that they have. That is the function have. Now what I'm doing is I'm calling the function over here, that is the sum functions, and I'm passing parameters. So as you can see, the first function I'm calling, I'm passing two parameters since they have only two parameters. Second one, double, two parameters. Third one, three parameters. That means I should get over here the answer as 11, 12.1 and 18. So if I run the code, let's see what happens. So as you can see, 11, 12.1 and 18. This is the implementation of polymorphism. Here I have overloaded the function sum. Now this is why it is called as compile time polymorphism, is because the compiler knows like which function is to be executed before the program is even compiled. That is the reason we refer this as a compile time polymorphism, because the compiler already knows it, that which function to execute before we even compile the entire program. So that is the reason it is referred as compile time polymorphism. So this is the concept of function overloading. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can put them in the comment section.